Is this some old ruins or something?
6.7 meters. See 3 eye marks. Dedicated to Balakrishna. Wow. Such an amazing structure. Ancient pathway. Let's take a look at Ganesha. Monolithic Ganesha.
Hi.
Hemakunta Hillock.
The chariot bus. Or
This is an ancient pathway, a part of group of monuments, the UNESCO World Heritage Site at Hampi. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of
Tinder Travel.
Second day morning in Hampi, getting ready to visit the other attractions in Hampi. Now, let's have breakfast from here and we will start.
yes.
These are all the items available here for breakfast.
Wait, what are
Cut
those
fruits.
pink things?
Cornflakes, coffee. What are you having? Bread?
I'm having bread, jam and butter.
Bread, jam and butter.
Yep.
I'm having idli, vada. It's okay. It's okay, right? Breakfast is fine. Done?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I'm not sure where we are going first. Where we are reaching first, we will visit there. Okay.
Okay. Let's get out of here.
Good morning, Hampi.
Yeah. Good morning, Humpy Dumpy.
Humpy Dumpy.
Yeah, you know Humpy Dumpy sat on the wall. Humpy Dumpy.
See, Archaeological Survey Museum.
Yeah, this is our last list, right?
This is there in last list. Yeah. This is anyway nearby,
Yeah.
right?
Is this some old ruins or something?
Morning, just 8:45.
That's early.
The weather is very awesome.
Yeah. Usually my online classes start at 9 o'clock, right?
This is the main attraction here. Wherever you go, you can find big boulders.
They're huge.
Huge. Huge.
I think the rocks are bathing in the sun.
See this? Yeah.
It's like a giant took a great bite from this rock. Wow, boulders, shoulders.
Oh, what is the sound?
I think they're vacuuming the grass.
Yeah. See, now we are going to Lakshmi Narasimha Temple and Badavilinga.
Wait, Narasimha temple, right?
That's
Wait,
so?
this is Narasimha, right?
That is Narasimha. See,
So, was this the place where...
not this place. This is just a statue.
Oh, I thought this was the place where Narasimha like burst open the demon kings.
No, that is the story. Yeah, that is right. That is the story.
I learned both of the stories of Varahavatar and Narasimhavatar. Those two demon kings, right? They were first some like gatekeepers and then they turned to demon kings.
Yeah, gatekeepers. That's right.
Yeah. Yeah, lion and human being.
Lion and human being.
Yes. Nara, Simha, human, lion.
Yeah. So first we will visit Vishnu's avatar,
Yes.
Narasimha. Now we are in front of Lakshmi Narasimha temple. This is another finest architecture in Hampi. The height of this statue is 6.7 meters. This was one of the finest architecture constructed during Krishnadevaraya period. See this?
Yeah.
See the hand got broken, right?
Oh, yeah.
See
Ruins.
the seating position
Yeah, like.
where he is sitting, you know. See Narasimha sitting on the coils of Adisesha, the king of all snakes.
King
Can
of
you see
all
that?
snakes.
Yeah. Which races behind him with its 7 hoods. No,
five,
coil
six,
down and top is the hoods. 7 hoods. 7-headed snake.
Yes.
Adisesha.
Yeah. This might be.
See, this is Badavilinga temple. Okay.
There is water inside.
This is just near to Narasimha temple. Both you can visit at a time.
Yes. What?
This is Badavilinga. See this?
Because of water inside.
ಅವಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದಿದೆಯಾ ಆಳ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬಂಡೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆ ಜಗ್ಗಿ ನೀರು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಕ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಗಣಪತಿನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಕ
See, you can see 3 eye marks. That is depicted Shiva's 3 eyes.
ಮದುವೆ ಆಯಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲಂತೆ
Yeah.
ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಆಯಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಆಯಮ್ಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ
See, according to legends, this Shivalinga was commissioned by a poverty-stricken peasant woman. Hence, this temple came to be known as Badavalinga. So, Badava means poor in Kannada, right? Linga is Shivalinga. See, the roof is open, square-like roof.
ಮ್ಯಾಲಿಂದ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಂದ್ರು
So,
ಅವಾಗ ಅವನ ಕಾಲದಾಗ
yeah, so they do Abhisheka from the top. And most of the Shivlinga you can see, the roof will be open. You know that? See, this Shivlinga is carved in a monolithic stone, about 3 meters height, just near to Narasimha temple.
Yes.
See, 2 parts, right?
Yeah.
The bottom part constructed by the stones, and top
With bricks, right?
that is with bricks.
Yeah.
Hampi series continues here. Less time, more places. Let's go to the next destination from here.
Yes.
Now we are heading to Krishna temple,
Yes.
dedicated to Balakrishna. This is an entrance. I think we have parking area here. Not sure where to park. See this? Wow.
We'll see the temple, then somewhere nearby we'll park. Otherwise,
Yeah, again we need to walk. Wow. Here I think all the monuments are nearby. Ancient pathway. Virupaksha temple, half kilometers from here. I think we'll get parking there. First we'll cover this. Then we'll go to Virupaksha temple, okay?
Okay.
See the structure. Oh, this is also very big one, right?
Wow.
Temple. Krishna temple. Krishna Bazaar is the left side. You can see this, right?
Krishna
With
Bazaar.
pillared pavilions. Wow. Here also there is water tank, Pushkarani, right?
Pushkar.
Then this large and ornate east-facing temple was consecrated with an icon in Balakrishna by Krishnadevaraya, indicated in an inscription dated 1513 AD. Some renovation activities are going on, it seems. Before we enter, we can see,
Cheer.
yeah, this is a fish.
Nice. Ice.
See the entrance. So cool inside, right?
Cool.
Krishna, Balakrishna, see? See the top.
I feel like
This
we
is the
came
entrance. Really?
here without our shoes. It's ridiculous.
The idol bought from Orissa, right?
Yeah.
Krishnadevaraya.
in 1513 AD.
1513? See, everything broken.
Yeah. See, the elephant's trumpet's gone. But at least I have my trumpet.
Yeah. So, the idol of this temple is not here now. It is in the Chennai Museum, State Museum,
Yes.
Tamil Nadu. Balakrishna, right?
Yeah.
Everywhere you can see the carvings.
Yeah.
Balakrishna. 15th century temple.
15th century. Oh my god. So,
Constructed 500 years back.
500 years back.
So here also Narasimha.
What? I don't know
See,
why.
these are all incarnation. Narasimha is 4th incarnation of Vishnu. You know that?
Oh.
See this?
Oh my god. Wait, in Halebidu also this type of roof is there?
Yeah, in Halebidu, that is a different structure altogether,
Oh,
made of
yeah.
soft stone. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think these are all the hard stones.
I think they put these holes because they put hot water and burst them.
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, why would they put...
Wow.
Nice. Ooh.
Krishna temple. See the inscriptions.
Oh, wow, inscriptions. I can't wait to tell
From
this
these
to my history
inscriptions
teacher.
only, we come to know Krishna Devaraya bought this site.
Yeah, yeah. From the inscriptions in this temple, they came to know that Krishna Devaraya bought this idol from Orissa, Udayagiri. These are all the halls, pillared hall. Oh, you're there?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Wow, awesome scene.
Yeah.
See, these are all the small temples inside. That is other entrance. The pillared pavilions. See this?
Nice. I wish
Mandabas.
I don't want to make my...
There are so many small temples.
Nice. Hey, can we go inside the mandapas?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't socks and
Oh, this is another temple. Right?
yeah.
Here also there is no idol, it seems.
Oh, I wish there was. So
Inside
beautiful
you can
without
see
the
so many
sunglass.
small temples. Wow.
Remove your glasses and see the beauty.
After seeing all,
Yeah. Feeling so sad.
feeling so sad, right?
Why?
Three things. Ruin.
Yeah, at least now, at least the ruins are there. Ow, ow, ow.
Will take ages to see all the places here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in front of this, just opposite to this,
Yeah.
that is Krishna Bazaar.
Krishna Bazaar.
What is that? It's a market.
Yeah.
It was a market.
Yeah.
See, the markets are almost same.
Yeah.
I don't think we need to go to closer.
Yeah.
You can have a look from here.
Yeah.
This was the Krishna
Bazaar.
Bazaar. See the pillared pavilions around. This is the long view. Not going closer. From here itself you can see. And there is a Pushkarani as well. Water tank. See this? Such an amazing structures. Okay,
Okay.
we'll go to our next destination.
Yes.
See,
Yeah.
ancient pathway. Let's go and have a look. Right? So this is ancient pathway. Wow, how they constructed with these stones. Carvings are there in the boulders. Wow.
Started something, but
Yeah, I didn't complete that, right? See this? Such an amazing structures. So here, who is the? Come.
Let's move.
Want to go there and see? Here there is a Nandi. This is also carved out in a single stone. That is another, I think, waiting area or something, right? Walking through the history. Great experience.
Okay, again, I think they want to crack the rocks. I see holes.
Wow. Come, we'll go. This is an ancient pathway, a part of group of monuments UNESCO World Heritage Site at Hampi. Interesting. So what we can see here?
Oh,
Oh,
see, there is a tank, water tank.
yeah.
Thing, no? Pathway, right? They will keep each and every river the water.
Maybe for drinking purpose.
Yeah. Walk, right?
Yeah. So another temple we can see. Not sure which temple is.
We'll take the car, park there, then we'll go.
Yeah.
I don't know if it is Virupaksha temple.
So far we covered 4 to 5 important monuments
Oh my.
at UNESCO World Heritage Site Hampi. I think from here we can get down. There is a way.
When there's a will, there's a way.
Yeah, yeah. Will is always there. That's what we are here. Oh, we reached this side.
Oh my god.
Where we parked our car? And the
Yeah.
Hampi is also called Monkey's Kingdom.
Oh,
Kishkinda. Right?
yeah.
See, here you can see so many monkeys. They are eating some seeds, right? Very well disciplined monkeys.
Yeah, like usually you used to see the other type of monkeys. Now, they like freak me out. But these look cute and calm.
Yeah, yeah. See this monkey.
Yeah.
Kadalakalu Ganesha, Sasvekallu Ganesha, Virupaksha temple. Come.
Ah.
Now we are going to visit Sasvekallu Ganesha, situated on the southeastern slopes of the Hemagunda hillock. This is a monolithic Ganesha. See, this monolithic structure was built in 1506 AD,
Oh.
right? Sasvekallu is nothing but mustard seed. So can you see the stomach?
Yeah.
So he ate too much. It was going to burst. So tied with snake. See the tummy tied with snakes. One hand he is having the broken tusk. The other hand motaka, sweet. Right? How he is sitting. So the height of this monolithic statue is 2.4 meters.
Ah.
Yeah. Shemi, I will show you some interesting fact here. Come. This is inscription.
Oh.
See, I will show you here. Nanda,
Yeah.
backside of this statue.
Mm.
Can you figure it out? What is that?
I'm not sure.
See, Parvati,
Oh.
Ganesha's mom, she is supporting Ganesha. He was not able to sit. So basically, he is sitting on the lap of Parvati Devi, his mother. Because he was not able to balance, right? He ate too much, stomach was about to burst. Very interesting, right?
Yeah.
It shows how mom supports their kids, right?
Yeah.
See this? Had too much, just like a round shape
Yeah.
tummy. Good to know story. Come. Very interesting.
Yeah. So Sasvekallu Ganesha.
Sasvekallu Ganesha.
Yeah.
Interesting, right? This is the one I like most here.
Just like
Putti
you.
Ganesha. No, 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 no.
Like your dad.
Come. See, we are on the top of Hemagunda hillock. So here we have Hemagunda group of monuments
Ah.
and Kadalakalu Ganesha. That is the attraction here.
Yeah.
See the highlights of Hemagunda group of temples.
Yeah.
Double storied mandapa, single storied mandapa, triple shrine temple, fallen mandapas,
and
rock cut
cut
lingas. Okay?
Okay. Oh, I feel cool in the shadows of the big monuments. Usually I don't like it.
See? Wow. We are in Hemagunda hillock,
Yes.
Hampi.
This is
So
for
this is a
monolithic
Monolithic sculpture. dated back 15th century.
Yeah.
Kadalekalu, you know,
Kadalekalu
Bengal
means
gram.
cashew.
Bengal gram,
Oh, Bengal gram. Even with the socks.
4.5 meters height,
Oh.
monolithic statue. We are going to see that now. Wow, this is very huge. The bellies looks like Bengal gram.
Yeah.
This is also monolithic statue. 4.5 meters height. Single rock structure. Such an amazing structure.
Yeah.
So this is the Kadalekalu monolithic Ganesha statue in Hampi. We are in Hemagunda Hillock. Now get inside.
Oh my god. I feel like water is around this. Oh my god. I don't feel like seeing it. Oh my god.
This is the tusk, the broken tusk. Here Motaka. Ganesha is having Motaka, that is sweet. Right?
Yeah.
Wow. How's it?
Awesome.
Interesting structures?
Yeah. Too interesting. See, if I have to remove my sunglasses. Oh man.
Parvati is not supporting. It is Ganesha only. He is comfortably sitting. Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh Deva. Yeah, this is the ladder for cleaning the statue for Abhisheka. With the blessings of Lord Ganesha, now we can go to our next destination. Hello.
Hi.
Nanda, where are you?
Boo! Ah man, he still didn't get scared.
Right, there is
We can go
Virupaksha
from the
temple. You can
stairs
see
now.
that
We can go
from here. This is Hemagunda Hillock. Group of monuments, Hampi. Very nice. We need to go to Virupaksha temple now.
Yeah.
I think we need to take our vehicle and park there
Looks
and
near.
walk. Right?
Looks near now.
See the parking. Completely filled
Looks
now.
like a bazaar.
Now we are in Hemagunda Hillock. You are watching Hampi series. See?
Chariot! Oh, it's a chariot bus. Or something like that. Yep, it's
What is
definitely a
this?
chariot bus.
See the view from here? We are going down.
Yay.
This is Hemagunda Hillock. We are getting down. With this, we are ending this episode here. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes of Hampi series.